Hello everyone, Zin with you, and today we'll show you how to get NordVPN for free. Want NordVPN for free, legally, and without risking your account or breaking the rules? In this video, I'll show you 3 safe methods you can use today, step by step. And for now, let's go. Mobile app free trial. Node sometimes offers a short free trial through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for new users. This is legitimate and easy. You start the free trial on your phone and can use the account on your other devices. Number one, you have to open the Google Play, then search for NordVPN and open the official app page, then tap on install and then tap start free trial. If the option appears, follow the prompts and you may need to sign in or create an account. Important, set a calendar reminder to cancel the trial 24 hours before it ends if you do not want to be charged. Quick tip, trials vary by platform and region. Sometimes 3 days, sometimes 7, and if you do not see a free trial, move to method B. Method B, 30-day money-back guarantee. It's most flexible. If the mobile trial isn't available to you, use NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee. Pay upfront, test everything for 30 days, then request a refund if you are not satisfied. Step by step. Go to nordvpn.com and choose any plan. Enter payment details and complete purchase. Download apps for Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, or browser extensions and test everything you need. Streaming, torrenting, speed, locations. If you decide it isn't for you, cancel and request a refund within 30 days. You can do this via NordVPN's live chat or support page. Turn off auto renewal immediately after purchase if you plan to request a refund to avoid accidental renewals. Refund tip. Be polite and clear when requesting a refund. Say you would like to cancel via the 30-day money-back guarantee and provide your payment email and order ID. Refunds are commonly processed within a few days, depending on your bank. Method C. Deals, promos, student discounts, and referrals. If you want longer access without risk, check official Nord promotions, coupon pages, and referral deals. These will not be totally free forever, but they can cut the price dramatically. Sometimes month free or gift cards attached to long-term plans. Check Nord's official deals page or trusted partners like TechRadar, Wired, or coupon pages. Use referral links from friends. Nord often gives free months for successful referrals. Students or certain professionals might qualify for extra discounts. Always verify on the official site. Now, what not to do? Do not use leaked accounts, cracked apps, or credential sharing from shady sites. Those are illegal, unsafe, and get your access blocked. And do not attempt to trick trial systems. That can violate terms of service and risk refunds or account bans. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.